Hi everyone, my name is Adeleke Samuel. In this series, we'll be looking at the Razor pages. Razor pages being one of the components of .NET Core that Microsoft released. .NET Core is a powerful tool released by Microsoft. It comprises of API, MVC, Razor pages, and Blazor. Now we'll be looking at Razor in this series. Maybe in subsequent series we'll touch the other parts. I will start from the beginning, from how you open up Razor pages. And we'll be working with Visual Studio 2022. That we'll be working with. For this tutorial, for this one, I'm going to show us the same thing I'm doing in 2022. I'm going to show us in 2019. Peradventure, you don't have 2022 installed on your machine yet, you can still follow along with 2019. So I'm going to start. Let me start with 2019. I'm going to open up my 2019. I minimize this. I bring up 2019. So how do you open up Razor page from your Visual Studio 2019? This tutorial assumes that you have Visual Studio installed on your machine. So click on New Project. Now, all you need to do, you select C# from here, select All Platform, and make sure you select Web from here. And when you select, scroll down till you get ASP.NET Core Web Application. This is from Visual Studio 2019. So I'm going to click on this. By the time I click on this, I click Next. The system load is asking me what is the name of the project. I can give it a name, call it call it a razor call it a razor project without space. That's the name. The folder where you want to save it to, just navigate to it. I'm going to leave it as default here. Now the project solution name, I'm just going to use an underscore to separate it. So I'll leave this. So I'll just click on next. So I click on next. The system will ask me to select the framework. Now, because I'm using 2019, the long-time support for 2019 3.1, that's the long-time support. 3.1 the long-time support for 2019. I click on it. I leave this on default. Configure HTTP. I said no. Alright, I'll just leave regular thing. So because 2019 has all this. So I just click create. So system will pick out the prerequisites that you need to load your page, then to load it up. When your page has finished loading, you're going to have a page that look like this. This is a result page. Now you can check your projects, explore, and pin this down. You can see all those things there for us. I'm not going to be doing much with 2019 because the tutorial focus on 2022. I just want to show us that you can do the same thing on 2019. So 2019. So from here, every other work can start. I can even load this. Now, something that is very important is that Visual Studio .NET Core allows you to change without using browser. Now I'm going to be changing to my project name. And can load from a browser, can load from IIS Express, but now let me load from a project name. It allows that. It even make it much more faster. So our project will be loading from there. So what I do now is I wait for it to load. So when your page must load, you're going to have this project name, the home page, the split area, private is what we have. This is how to load the result page in Visual Studio 2019. Now I'm going to be moving to 2022. That is where we're going to be doing our tutorial. This that we want to do today. This series focus more on 2022. So I'm going to bring this down. So I'm going to bring up 2022. Now, 2022 has a whole lot of advanced feature that we're going to be seeing during the course of the video. I'm going to show us step by step on some of those things that 2022 has to offer. In this series, we cover a whole lot of things. Now, let's open up our Razor page in Visual Studio 2022. Right, I click the same way. I click on create new project. Create a new project. Now, the same way, click on the C# from here. You can pick on Windows, or probably you pick on all platform. And here, make sure you pick on web. So after you've done that, locate ASP.NET Core web application. That is where you see your user page. Every other one is there. So I click on this and I click on next. Here again, I'm going to be calling my project Razor Project. Razor Project 2022 as the name of my project. And I'm going to leave the local directory. I'm going to leave it alone for now. And I'm going to change the name by differentiating by adding underscore. Okay, so I click on next. Then because it's 2022, it has more feature. Now we have the long-term support 6.0, .NET 6.0. So it's more feature. So we are going to be picking 6.0 long-term support. I'm going to leave this alone. I'm going to check on this. That's the difference between them. The 2019 stops at 3.1 long-term support, and what you're going to be using this. Alright, everything being equal, I'll click on create. Now, when your pages are finished loading, you'll have a page like this. Just the 2022. Now, what we need to do from here, just check around, but it looks much more. It looks more like 2019, but with much advanced feature. If open up this, see your share folder and every information. We are going to be looking at all this during this series. Now, if I want to run my project, like I said, I can always change my project name. This is my project name, so I can load my project name. So I just click that, load some assembly, make it proper. Now, this I'll just do a little compare with 2019. You see some of the new things that have changed in them. Okay, now that our project has loaded the browser, you can see what we have now. We have it, the home page, and the private folder, private page, same way. Now, let me close out of this, and let me close out of this as well, out of this page. So if I bring up to 2019 and I do a little comparison here, even from the menu on top, you can see the changes. This is 2022, this is 2019. I see a whole lot of improvement, a lot of change. 2022 had a whole lot of things and very, very good. Okay, even if you check the folder side, you can see the look and the way Microsoft has actually, the folder is much beautiful, very nice. Okay, so I minimize this for now. Now, this is where we're going to be doing all our work, just Studio 2022. So, we're going to, in the next video, I'm going to be showing us, explaining a little about this folder. Then from there, we move on. Thank you so much.